Remember how in the last video we were going to write a tester?
I lied.
There are two methods that you can use to test the parser. They're for testing our let statement specifically. I will let you add them in if you wish. I will not be dedicating a video to them. They're also linked in the GitHub repo. And if you try to test this, you will realize that I made a boo-boo. In our parse let statement method, I told you to consume an equality token. This is garbage. What you actually want to do is consume an assign token. My bad, fellas. Putting an EQ in the grammar for equals not assign was just silly, so I'm fixing that to be assign from now on. The next item that we are going to add to our parser is the ability to catch and display errors. This is going to be real simple. Just add a string array to the class called errors and initialize it in the constructor. Then, in our expect method, change the false case to append to this list of errors. Because it makes us feel like good programmers, we are also going to write a method to expose the errors field. You can iterate over this to print whatever went awry during your attempts to parse. Next up, let's parse a new type of statement, the return statement. The grammar for the return statements will look like this: a return terminal followed by a non-terminal expression. So let's add a data structure for a return statement to our ast.go package. This format should be easy to follow. We keep a reference to our return token, then we will have a value field that will correspond to an expression node. This is not an expression, so it will also implement the statement node marker method. Token lexeme will just return the lexeme of our return token. Now let's go back to our parser. Now add a method called parse return statement. I'm not going to go too in depth here. All we are doing is creating a return statement with our current token in our parser. Then, like we did in parse let statement, we are going to skip the expression. So congrats. We are well into our parser at this point, even though it might feel like we're just kicking the expression can down the road. Don't worry though, because in the next video, we are going to begin working on parsing those expressions. See you there.